Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel app, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo and then select the import button. Go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down and then select the import button. Go to the gallery, select another photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo. Save the photo, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Then select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size option, adjust the size, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, and then copy the letters to the copy option. Change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. Save the letters to the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Then select the 3D shape, enable button down, select the expression. Change the background color, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.